Hello, pre-K teachers. I am sending you this quick video on how to access the free resources that come with our conscious discipline curriculum for our classrooms. I know that we went over this during pre-service, but as usual, there is always a lot of information thrown at you, and I wanted you to have a quick follow-up video that you could easily access to help you navigate through this website to find the free resources. So as you go to the Conscious Discipline website, consciousdiscipline.com, you will click on free resources. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, these 8 sections are the ones that are free for all of us. And some of them that I want to point out to you that I have found that are very helpful is there's obviously the free webinars, the video galleries, and podcasts that you can listen to at any time. But one of the ones I found that would be helpful when you're setting up your classroom or ongoing throughout the year is the Schubert School. And so when you click on that, it brings you up to a map of Schubert School, which goes back to the storybooks that are provided with the curriculum. And it will navigate you through all of the morning rituals, suggestions for conversations with kids, the higher order questioning, that you could help at each area within our school. So if we would walk into, let's say just even at drop off in the morning with the parents, it's the first day of pre-K, kids are nervous, scared, you can go down here and read which rituals, which picture rule cards we should use. So let's click on greeting rituals. We'll scroll down and it gives you some more clarification on what happens during the transition period, which I love you ritual books you could use. So then if you click on examples, it has videos of teachers that are helping our pre-K students arrive to school. It also gives you related products that you could use during that time. Sorry. For some reason that one's not opening up. So I will look into that and figure out why that one wasn't working. But anyways, the reason I just feel like this gives you hands-on practical examples that you could utilize for yourself or even your peers in the classroom. It might be a great time to do some ongoing training with them as well, as far as what that looks like when kids are dropped off at school, the I love you rituals, and those kinds of situations that we may not do. So here's back to drop off. Just want to click on another one to show you some more. The picture card, how to use picture cards to help children be successful. And so it gives you you guys all have these toolkits within your classroom. And so this just gives you some extra ideas and ways to utilize those within your classrooms, especially if this is your first year using conscious discipline. Another area I wanted to, might just be easier to go to free resources and scroll down to go back to the beginning, is the discipline tips. I felt was very useful and had some good references in it. So what it does is it goes through the most common questions you might find within the classroom. And this could be for if you have parents that are asking these questions, other guardians. And so it just helps give that so that there's a consistency from home and school. And so it goes over the most probably frequently asked questions and concerns that occur in the classroom. And so you can scroll down and then, so I'm hearing my child say, I don't care. And then it tells you how to act to that, what you can do, which I love you rituals, which song, how to progress through that with the kid, with the student, and being more consistent. So again, I felt like these free resources are great to use if you just need some quick help. As always, if you need further help or how to implement this in your classroom, please don't hesitate to email me or call us over at the Early Childhood Office. We'd be happy to come and help you, especially as I know some of you, the new teachers, are getting ongoing support, but it may just be, hey, this happened real quick. I need to figure this out. Can you come help me? I don't have time to look through this, but if not, here is some more, like I said, resources for you to look at briefly. Please let me know if you have any follow-up questions, if you can think of anything else that you would need from us in regards to conscious discipline and these free resources. Thank you.